Crying Wolf, presented by 7 Art Academy, prepared by Yahya Mohammadi. Part 1. Cosmas is a shepherd boy in Greece. One evening he is bored. What can I do? He thinks. He goes to the nearest village and cries, "Help! A wolf is eating my sheep." The villagers run up the hill angrily, but the sheep are standing there quietly with no wolf. "Where's the wolf?" they ask. "It isn't here now," Cosmas says. Later, Cosmas tells his dog Sirius, "What a good trick. I lie and they believe me." The next week, Cosmas cries wolf again and all the villagers run up the hill. But this time, some villagers listen when Cosmas speaks to Sirius. So they learn about his trick. "Never tell lies again," they say. "All right, I promise," Cosmas answers. Part 2. The next day, Cosmas is watching the sheep. Suddenly, Sirius hears a noise. A big wolf comes out from behind a tree. It takes a lamb in its mouth. Cosmas runs down the path to the village. "Help," he cries. "There's a wolf on the hill, and it's killing my sheep. Remember your promise." "Don't tell lies," the villagers say, and they quickly close all their doors and windows. "But this time it's true. Please help me," Cosmas cries. Cosmas climbs back up the hill alone. He finds some of his lambs, but they are dead. "Where's Sirius?" he thinks. "Sirius, where are you? Come here, boy," he calls again and again. Just then he sees his dog on the ground. "Oh no, Sirius is dead too," he cries. Cosmas sits down slowly. "I understand now," he thinks. "When you tell lies, people stop listening to you. From this day, I must always tell the truth."